Joshua from Fort Worth has a question about foundation failure.
It's on a new home.
Ooh.
Yeah, Joshua writes, our post-tension slab is already showing these signs of some failure here.
Yep.
Down there. And so the house, he says, though, the good news is it's under warranty. And he wants to know, Tom, what questions should he be asking the people who are coming to fix it? He doesn't want to leave anything uncovered.
Well, they're going to know more than you if they know what they're doing. So let them come out and let them tell you what's going on. If it's just some top stuff popping, the foundation probably isn't going to fail, but it needs to be cosmetically fixed. So see if that's all it is first. But right now, what I would do is this, and if you want to call us back or write us back, you can. Find out what they tell you. Then if you have some questions, you can go to someone like me, or maybe you have some other friends in the business and say, hey, this is what they're telling me. What do you think? And that way you have some information to go by.
But assume that they're going to act in your best interest when they come out.
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah, they don't. Hopefully, if it's a good company, they don't want to have bad foundations all over.
Now, let's say you fell down, hit yourself in the head, and decided buying a post-tension slab was a good idea.
I would do it.
Yours. No, I'm just saying.
I know. That's why I wear a helmet.
Okay. But you just
I'm listening.
Okay. Humor me for a minute. Okay, so let's say that you were to have that problem. What would you do if you saw that stuff popping off around your slab?
Well, the first thing I'd look for to see if the actual cables are snapping or if it's just cosmetic on top of the little cleats and the little clamps that go there to hold the cable in place. Hopefully that's all it is.
Yeah, maybe brush off any rust, cover it up.
Yeah, you got to just look at it and see. Right. Stick your finger in there and see what's going on.
Don't stick your finger in there.
I would.
Just go ahead and send us a question.
Yes.
Send it to HomeShowRadio.com using the Ask Tom form. You can see some of our videos over here that we've already answered. And while you're watching these videos, subscribe to our channel, please.